Here's just a quick overview of PublicSq app, America's marketplace. This is a marketplace app for businesses which share conservative values in US. You can list your business if you share these values, and if you're a consumer, you can just buy products from specific businesses who are more like on the right wing side of the political spectrum, I guess. And then you just know that by buying products here, you just support these types of businesses and their owners. It's a interesting idea. You can just create an account in the app, and then it kind of looks like marketplace. Then you can just browse around. You can find some featured businesses which you like. You can read more about them. Just all types of different categories. There are like popular categories. There are a lot of other categories. You can just search for this. Of course, this is not like Amazon where you have millions and millions of businesses. There are much less listings, but all of them, you know that these are the brands on this, which you want to support, who share the values same as you. So this is like an interesting new concept of shopping. Maybe you know that you will like the quality may be not like the best of the best of the best. Like maybe it's not the top brands in United States, but by shopping in this business, you kind of supporting the values of that owner, and that is also important for you. As well, and sometimes maybe you can get not the super highest quality, but also you can support the owner like that. You can just search, and then if you're in US, you can see also businesses around you in your area. If you're traveling in Europe or somewhere else, it's not gonna show up. It's only works in US. You can find like some restaurants, coffees, banks. Then you can just go here to online businesses. You can see again all the different categories available, and then the listings inventory is growing really fast. I checked out this app like a few months ago, and then there weren't so many businesses, but now you have more and more businesses here. Then you just have your account. If you want to add your business, you can just tap and add your own business, add your contact information, select your business type, build your business listing. You can just enrich your profile with images. Then there are also advertisement options. It can be pretty cool. I think it's a good idea for marketeers actually to advertise on this app right now, because it has kind of very strong core audience. Then you can just double check which values here are. Then you can just delete your account or adjust some settings. There is some support options. So this is basically marketplace app, easy to use, and the main thing is just has this like all this inventory of the businesses, conservative US business, I guess. So that's what you have.